So I decided to refinish the headlights on my Honda because they're kind of faded. It's a 10-year-old car. So trying out this headlight refinishing kit by Turtle Wax that I got. Let's see if it works and how well it works. Here's all the stuff that it comes with.
So you use this lens clarifying compound first, after you've cleaned the headlight with some soap and water. And then you just kind of rub it in. You should tape off your paint. However, this Civic is old, I don't really care. It's not gonna damage it much worse. So it says you rub it for a good, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. And then it might just fix it right there, but if it's really bad, you want to keep getting it wet so it doesn't dry out. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Some more. All right. After a little rubbing, see how much gunk it took off? It's crazy. Use a clean terry towel, wipe it off. A little more rubbing. And look at that, it's already looking better. However, there's still some issues. So what you do then is comes with these two pads, and they have numbers on them. You start with number 1, which is green. Make sure it's clean. What you do then is basically these are little sandpapers, pads. Comes with numbers on them, number 1, number 2, 3, and 4. And you start with number 1, and you use this spray lubricant. Spray it on the areas that need it, on the pad, and you start working it. Keep going. Don't overwork one spot. You don't want to scratch it too hard, but you're not going to damage it as long as you keep it wet. Again, this is where you want to tape off your car because this is basically sandpaper. But my car is already done for, so I'm just going to keep it like this. This bumper needs work. You work this for a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Keep it wet. If it starts to dry out, spray some more. And you don't want to do this in the hot sun because it's going to dry it out quick and you're going to ruin your headlight. All right, after 1, spray side number 2, which it doesn't say, I don't believe it says that, but I'm going to wipe this down just to get, that first bit of debris off. Spray it down. And start working it with the number 2 side. Decent amount of pressure. I'm not like straining too hard, but decent amount of pressure. Just work it. Work it, work it, work it. Not worried about the side markers too much. Most of this area right here, and this is where it really fades because it's a, what the heck, bees flying around here. Anyways, you work number 2, then you go on to number 3. This guy. And the same thing, rinse and repeat, literally. My headlight wasn't as bad as some, so I don't really need to do this for too long. Now, number 4. wax on, wax off, like Karate Kid. That's what you do. Wax on, wax off. Need some exercise music or something for this adventure. One thing I gotta say, this lubricant bottle, the sprayer head keeps spinning and it wants to spray you instead of the car. Anyway, so let's see how this worked out. I'm gonna wipe it down. And then what you do, after you wipe it, get a clean terry towel and apply more of this lens clarifying compound. Good amount. A little bit of pressure. And you rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it. A little more. Again, taping the car, not a bad idea if you have a nice car. I just didn't do it, but don't do as I do as I say. Isn't that what they say? All right. I'm gonna go get a clean towel to wipe it off now. All right, clean towel. Here we go. Look at this, already looking so much better. And here's where you decide if you want to do it again, go over it, or is this good enough? I'm gonna say for this car, it's good enough. Once you're happy with your results, you want to then take your lens base coat right here and your sealing wipe and apply those immediately after you've cleaned the lenses off. And first you want to do the lens base coat and then immediately seal it with the sealing coat. I forgot they give you a glove for this because I guess it's not good to be holding it with your bare hands, but I almost forgot. I don't know why they give you one glove and they must think I'm Michael Jackson. But, you know. All right, here we go. Ready? Ready? And go. Boom, boom, boom. Now then, lens sealing. Boom.
If you guys want to get this kit yourself, I have a link in the description below. You can get this on Amazon for a lot cheaper than at your local auto parts store.
I'd say it looks pretty good, nice and clear. Time to wash the car and, well, gotta do this bumper next.